In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select your activity. Scroll down to download your information and click on it. Tap on Download or Transfer Information, select the account from which you want to retrieve information, and follow the on-screen instructions. Customize your download by selecting the desired date range, format, and medium quality, then click Create File to submit your request. Instagram will process your request and send a download link to your email. Once you receive the email, download the file and open it to find all your deleted messages. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.